Hello class. This problem is asking us to find all square roots of 64 over 49. So we want all the square roots of 64 over 49, which is equal to square root of 64 divided by the square root of 49. Well, we know that 8 times 8 equals 64. We also know that negative 8 times negative 8 equals 64. So one of the answers on the top would be either 8 or negative 8. Across the bottom, for 49, 7 times 7 equals 49, and negative 7 times negative 7 equals 49. So our other answer would be negative 7, or I'm sorry, 7 or negative 7. So the square root of 64 over 49 is equal to 8 over 7 or negative 8 over 7. Let's plug this in over here. 8 divided by 7 or negative 8 divided by 7. Yay, I like when I get them right. Thanks class, I hope this helps.